When it comes to compact cars that completely redefine space, comfort, and city practicality, the Honda N-Box has always been a game changer. And today, on USA Cars Experts, we're diving deep into the all-new 2027 Honda N-Box, a small car with a massive personality. If you think K-cars are basic or boring, this one is about to change your mind. So sit back, relax, and let's explore how Honda has once again raised the bar in the world of ultra-compact vehicles. The 2027 Honda N-Box continues the legacy of one of Japan's most successful K-cars. For years, the Honda N-Box has dominated its segment with smart packaging, futuristic styling, and unbeatable practicality. Now, for 2027, Honda has refined every detail to make it more modern, more efficient, and more premium than ever before. Let's start with the exterior design. At first glance, the 2027 N-Box keeps its iconic tallboy silhouette. That boxy shape is not just for style, it's the secret to its incredible interior space. The front fascia looks sharper and more confident than before. The updated LED headlights are sleeker, with a modern light signature that gives the car a high-tech personality. The grille is subtle yet refined, blending perfectly into the clean front bumper design. From the side profile, the upright stance immediately stands out. Large windows create an airy feel, while the short overhangs make it perfect for tight urban parking. The sliding rear doors are one of the biggest highlights. In crowded city environments, these doors make entering and exiting effortless, even in narrow parking spots. For families, elderly passengers, or anyone who values convenience, this feature alone is a huge advantage. At the rear, the 2027 model features redesigned LED tail lights with a more premium glow. The rear hatch opens wide, revealing a surprisingly spacious cargo area. Despite its compact footprint, the N-Box offers storage flexibility that rivals much larger vehicles. Now let's step inside, because this is where the 2027 Honda N-Box truly shines. The first thing you notice is the sense of space. Thanks to its tall roof and flat floor design, the cabin feels open and welcoming. Honda's engineers have masterfully used every millimeter to maximize comfort. The dashboard layout is clean and modern. A fully digital instrument cluster provides clear, customizable information right in front of the driver. The central infotainment display is larger and more responsive than before, offering smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice controls. Everything is positioned for ease of use, making the driving experience intuitive and stress-free. Material quality has also improved for 2027. Soft touch surfaces, refined fabric options, and carefully crafted details elevate the interior beyond what you'd expect from a K-car. The seats are ergonomically designed for long-term comfort. Whether you're commuting daily or taking a weekend trip, the N-Box ensures you remain relaxed behind the wheel. One of the most impressive aspects is the seating flexibility. The rear seats can slide, fold, and recline in multiple configurations. Need extra legroom? Slide them back. Need more cargo space? Fold them down flat. This versatility transforms the N-Box from a passenger-friendly vehicle to a mini cargo hauler in seconds. Under the hood, the 2027 Honda N-Box continues to use a highly efficient small-displacement engine designed to meet K-car regulations. Expect a refined 660cc engine that balances power and fuel economy perfectly for urban driving. Honda has focused on improving throttle response and reducing engine noise, making the drive smoother and quieter. For those who want a bit more excitement, a turbocharged variant may also be available, offering extra punch for highway, merging and uphill climbs. While this car isn't built for racing, it delivers exactly what city drivers need: responsive acceleration, excellent fuel efficiency, and reliable performance. Fuel economy remains one of its strongest points. The lightweight construction combined with advanced engine tuning ensures outstanding mileage. In a world where fuel prices continue to rise, the N-Box stands as a smart and economical choice. Driving the 2027 model feels surprisingly stable. Honda has improved the suspension setup for better ride comfort without sacrificing control. The steering is light, making tight city turns effortless. Parking is incredibly easy thanks to the compact dimensions and improved visibility. Safety is another area where Honda refuses to compromise. The 2027 N-Box is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems under Honda's safety suite. Features may include collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors. For a vehicle in this size category, that's seriously impressive. Technology integration also takes a big leap forward. Wireless smartphone charging, improved connectivity, and enhanced voice command systems make daily driving more convenient. The infotainment interface is designed to be user-friendly, reducing distractions while on the road. Now let's talk about practicality in real-world situations. Imagine navigating busy city streets, squeezing into tight parking spaces, and maneuvering through traffic with ease. That's exactly where the N-Box feels at home. Its compact width allows it to glide through spaces larger vehicles struggle with. Families will appreciate the easy child seat installation and wide-opening sliding doors. Elderly passengers will love the comfortable step-in height. Business owners can use it for small deliveries. Young drivers will enjoy its simplicity and modern style. It's truly a car built for everyone. Another key advantage is ownership cost. Honda's reputation for reliability means maintenance is generally affordable and predictable. Parts availability and service networks further enhance its appeal as a long-term investment. Styling options for 2027 may include multiple trims, color choices, and customization packages. Whether you prefer a clean, minimalist look or a slightly sportier appearance, there's likely a configuration that fits your personality. The 2027 Honda N-Box proves that bigger isn't always better. In many ways, it represents the future of urban mobility. As cities grow more crowded and environmental awareness increases, compact and efficient vehicles like this will become even more relevant. What makes the N-Box truly special is how it blends practicality with personality. It doesn't try to be something it's not. Instead, it focuses on doing the basics exceptionally well: space, efficiency, comfort, and reliability. For drivers in densely populated areas, this vehicle offers freedom. Freedom from high fuel costs, freedom from parking stress, and freedom from unnecessary complexity. It's a smart solution wrapped in a stylish and friendly design. As we look ahead, it's clear that Honda continues to innovate within the K-car segment. The 2027 model shows careful refinement rather than radical change. Every update feels purposeful. Every feature serves a function. If you're searching for a vehicle that is affordable, efficient, technologically advanced, and incredibly practical, the 2027 Honda N-Box deserves serious consideration. It may be compact on the outside, but inside it delivers a big experience. Thank you for watching USA Cars Experts. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2027 Honda N-Box, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about this innovative compact car. Would you choose it for your daily drive? We'll see you in the next video.